Yo, YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Bateman. Today, we got one of the bangers. If you're new to my channel, hit that like button, subscribe button, share button, and notification bell to get alerted when new videos come out. Without further ado, let's get it. So as you guys see, I'm gonna go in using my T45 245 trimmer, and it is smacking. And as you guys can see, when the sharpened and modified correctly, it melts hair. As you guys can see, like, hair just coming off beautifully. So easy. Every pass, clean strokes, just knocking the hair off. Sharpened and modified at the Blade Lab. Link in the description. Get yours today. You don't want to miss it. These are fire. Anytime you decide to get your blades modified and play with, they're going to always perform, at a higher level. So with that being said, this is sharpened and modified by the Blade Lab. The Blade Lab is a company that I designed from top to bottom. Me and my manager Dre, where I handcraft and I sharpen, set, modify the blades for you guys and get them right out. So I just want to clear up a couple things. When I'm doing stuff like this stuff takes 10 to 14 days. I get so many people in my inboxes, talk about where they blade is, and you just ordered 2-3 days ago. You get what I'm saying? If you want a blade and you want quality, it takes 10 to 14 days. Remember, I have to sharpen, I have to modify, then I have to field test to make sure that these blades keep their quality by any means. So with that being said, if you guys could just be a little bit patient with me, like just a little bit patient with me, I promise I will fulfill all of the orders. I'm pretty much caught up on all of my orders anyway. I got 20 orders going out this Monday. So this is everybody that's from orders, 10, I think it's 1061 all the way up to like 1090 something. So with that being said, if you're one of those people, your blades go out this Monday. They already done, they already set, they already modified, we locked in, ready to go. But we transitioned our side as well, as you guys can see. So we shaved the head ball, then we went in open, then we start to close those lines up between open to close, and then did a little bit with our 0.5 guard. We'll do the same steps here. Completely open for an inch, drop them halfway, play between that inch area, drop them completely closed, play with them a little bit closed, and then now put on the 0.5 guard, play in between that rim just to get that, consistency there. Beards are probably the easiest things to fade because you guarantee fading into skin, but also it's like a small pocket. It's a real small pocket that you ain't got to really overly fade or overly, play your part in. So beards are pretty solid to me. I love cutting, a solid, clean, nice beard. They always do it. Just stay consistent. One blade lather machine, dopest wireless lather machine on the market. You can use this joint at home, in the shower, at the shop, produce really hot lather. And as you guys can see, it's just a dope, innovative product. Like, the product is so fire to me. Like, it's very good, bruh. Look at the lather, like, this is the one, bruh. Hit the link in the description below. Order yours today to get 15% off. Place some on the beard. We got it everywhere we need it. It's just a really dope, innovative, good product, man. It's a really good product. Now, hot towel. Let's double down. Area. Add some shave gel, keep the towel there just for moisture. Let's work. Stretch the skin, angle that razor, glide. We just glide beautifully. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Just clean passes, bruh. Yeah. Get it as clean as we can. Yep. Also, I use the Dorco Prime razor blades, and then I use the 245 Turkish razor style too. Just to throw that in there for people who didn't know. Piece by piece, brick by brick, layer by layer. Now we're gonna start with the back of the beard. Frame out work. Punch in a straight line there. Other side of the back of the beard, punch in another straight line. We working. Now with some color on the application brush, punching in my first top of my guideline to keep the beard as wide as possible. Just giving it some density. Giving it some pop, giving it some flash, giving it some flair. And just keeping everything as P as possible. Same thing on the opposite side. Focus on the mustache, just lining up the lip of the mustache. Inside the nasal, just because cleanliness is next to godliness. Gotta do it. Top of the mustache. Inside the chin area. The mustache. As you guys can see, it's coming together really well. Coming together really, really, really well. Lean the client back, angle the razor at a 45-degree angle, bring everything back to the beard line. shot. Gas. It's crazy, bruh. Fire. Fire, 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 bruh. Just working out. Putting it together. Yeah, that's heat. Same steps. Yeah, we just keep rolling. Just keep rolling. Stay locked in, stay focused, stay in that place, and bring it home. Yeah. Absolute gas. Now a little bit of shape into the beard, not a lot, just knocking the scraggly hairs off, but not really shaping, we just knocking loose hairs off. Yeah, this is gas. Client definitely playing with a thin line, boy, because he talking like his beard ain't getting shaped up. But we good, we professionals, we keep it P as possible. As you guys can see, my dog came in looking crazy by the head, but as barbers, it's up to us to change that outcome. And without further ado, who would I be if I didn't step in the name of love? Without further ado, let's lock in. Hashtag TBT in that comment section. Hashtag Glacier Gang. Y'all know what time it is. We locked in. We focused. Got my boy Icy. If you're new to my channel, hit that like button, subscribe button, share button, and notification bell to get alerted when new videos come out.
You know what you think, brothers? I think we did it again.
Yeah. That's it.
Yep.
Chalk line and all.